Big news, everybody. EcoFlow is pushing the limits again with an all-new power station that has some serious innovation, including extreme tech charging, which can charge this power station's 4 kilowatt battery in just 50 minutes, X-Quiet tech that keeps this unbelievably quiet, and 4,000 watt output, 240-volt outlet, 5-year warranty, and an app that gives you ultimate control, and that's just scratching the surface. Everybody say hello to the EcoFlow Delta Pro 3. If you're in a hurry and just looking for discounts, you can use the link in the description or comments to get a really good deal on this for a limited time and help support my channel at the same time, which I appreciate sincerely. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. You can subscribe for free. Most important, click the bell icon to stay updated on the newest tech and best deals. EcoFlow is the most preferred of all power station brands among my audience, and for good reason. They make power stations, solar panels, and other smart tech like the Wave 2 heater AC combo. With each new generation of products, they push the limits and offer very affordable packages and really amazing sales like the sales happening right now. Their newest power station, and one of the largest power stations ever made, is the Delta Pro 3. This refined design offers 4 kilowatt hours of waterproof battery cells and unbelievable ability to charge at 7,000 watts by combining multiple charging methods, and rated to last at least 11 years up to 80% capacity. And the app is a command center for the Delta Pro 3 and gives you ultimate control over your charging and power use. It's always nice to see exactly what's happening with your power, letting you learn even more about your power use habits at the same time. This unit offers 10 millisecond UPS home backup, turning on backup power for your home during an outage so fast none of your appliances or entertainment devices will even notice. The Delta Pro 3 can give you uninterrupted power, even during the worst conditions. And if safety is your thing, then you'll be happy to know this has XGuard BMS, keeping you safe by monitoring 40 indicators 24/7. Also, the UL certified 5V8 fireproof shell fortifies the Delta Pro 3 for added security in the most extreme situations. This is one of EcoFlow's most innovative and sleekest designs so far. It looks nice, more like your average appliance than it does a power station. I think it can be incorporated into some very nice home designs. Contractors will be able to sell this to their customers no problem. Right now, you can get an early bird ticket of $500 off, plus additional discounts depending on if you want to bundle extra batteries and things like that. Use the link in the description or comments to get over to the sale page to get a great deal on this. Help put a little extra food in my fridge at the same time. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please leave any questions about the Delta Pro 3 in the comments. Don't forget, you can subscribe for free, and most important, click the bell icon so that when I make new videos, you get the good news before you spend your money on something you might regret.